10 simple ways to earn money in today's world. 1. Freelancing. Utilize your skills and expertise to offer services such as writing, graphic design, web development, or social media management on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. 2. Online surveys and market research. Participate in online surveys or market research studies to earn money or gift cards by sharing your opinions and feedback. 3. Selling products. Online, start an e-commerce store on platforms like Etsy, eBay, or Amazon, selling handmade crafts, vintage items, or other products. 4. Renting out assets. If you have a spare room or property, consider renting it out on Airbnb or other rental platforms. You can also rent out your car or other belongings through platforms like Turo or Fat Llama. 5. Investing in stocks or cryptocurrencies. Begin investing in the stock market or cryptocurrencies, understanding the risks involved, and starting with a small amount of money. 6. Online tutoring or teaching. Share your knowledge and skills by offering online tutoring or teaching services through platforms like VIP Kid, Chegg Tutors, or Teachable. 7. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services of other companies and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral link. 8. Content creation. Start a YouTube channel, blog, or podcast and monetize it through ads, sponsorships, or crowdfunding. 9. Pet sitting or dog walking. Offer pet sitting or dog walking services in your local area through apps like Rover or Wag. 10. Delivery services. Join delivery platforms like Uber Eats, DoorDash, or Postmates to earn money by delivering food or packages.